Man stole a Ford Bronco and thought he was O.J. Simpson. Instead, 25-year-old named Ramanpreet Singh of Brampton, Ontario, is headed to jail. Welcome back to another episode of Bad Canadian Drivers, or in this case, Bad Canadian Criminals, because I think this guy knew exactly what he was doing, just trying to evade the police with his stolen Ford Bronco. Now, there's a number of videos that were taken from bystanders, so I'll let you watch these videos and then give you a rundown of what exactly happened. Now, this CTV article says, a call about a suspicious vehicle ended with a Ford Bronco sitting atop a Peel police cruiser at a Tim Hortons drive-thru in Mississauga Tuesday. Peel police said they received a call at around 6:30 p.m. from an individual who was concerned about a person in the area of Westwood Square Shopping Mall near Goreway and Etude Drives. The man had allegedly stolen items from a store a couple of weeks ago and had returned with weapons, police said. Police located the vehicle and determined that it had been stolen. Officers surrounded the stolen vehicle and a number of cruisers were then damaged, police said. Video circulating on social media shows the large red and black Bronco sitting atop the cruiser. In the video, police arrived to box in the vehicle at what appears to be a drive-through window. The driver initially tries to reverse but sees that he cannot back away. An officer then gets out of his vehicle and points a gun at the passenger side window and tries to instruct the driver. After a moment, the vehicle is then seen accelerating forward and attempting to go over the police cruiser to escape. However, the vehicle is unable to fully mount the cruiser and eventually backs off, revealing a shattered front window on the cruiser. The sequence of events was terrifying, a witness told CP24. I honestly thought the police, were going to shoot, he said. He said police tased the suspect when he eventually climbed out of the passenger side window and officers then tackled him. The driver was eventually taken into custody by police. They said Wednesday that 25-year-old Ramanpreet Singh has been charged with 3 counts of possession of property obtained by crime, flight from a peace officer, dangerous operation, and obstructing a police officer. He has been held for a bail hearing. The suspect sustained minor injuries in the incident, police said. Well, that's good news to hear that they were only minor injuries. Call could have ended in tragedy, police. Speaking with CP24, Peel Police Constable Tyler Bell said that with the rise in auto thefts, police have had to step up their tactics as well. Sadly, as we've seen over the last year and a half, the rapid increase in stolen vehicles, with that comes increased tactics that we have to use to try and prevent these dangerous situations from unfolding and having tragic consequences, Bell said. He praised the work of the officers who responded to the call and said that the situation could have ended in tragedy instead. Peel Police are no strangers here to officers being rammed in their cruisers, and that is very much demonstrated by the tactics that the officers took, pinning in the vehicle the way they did, Bell said. It was excellent police tactics, excellent execution of the blocks that we are trained to do. It's very dynamic and it happens very, very quickly, and it can end in an absolute tragedy. We've seen a number of police officers killed this way, so we're very fortunate that it ended the way it did. Now, if you're not aware of what's going on in Ontario, Canada, between 2018 and 2023, the incidence of people making insurance claims due to the theft of their vehicles increased by 165%, and auto theft claims costs have increased by 524%. So, stolen vehicles has become a major issue in the Ontario province. Now, Ramanpreet Singh is known to the police in the area. They said they're familiar with him. Obviously, he's a repeat offender. That's why individuals called the police, because Ramanpreet had stolen from them previously and he returned, this time with weapons and a stolen vehicle. That's why the police were called to the scene in the first place. He has a bail hearing set on Monday. Do you think that he will be given bail once again, or do you think he will actually be sentenced to prison time? Let me know in the comments section below. Please make sure to subscribe for a lot more bad Canadian driving videos. Thanks again for watching.